Okay, so what is Google Classroom? According to Google Play Store, where you can install the application, it describes the application as Classroom is a free service for schools, nonprofit organizations, and anyone with a personal Google account. Classroom makes it easy for learners and instructors to connect with one another inside and outside of schools. Classroom saves time and paper and makes it easy to create classes, distribute assignments, communicate, and stay organized. So, in a nutshell, all the essential parts of a regular classroom is in Google Classroom. You can communicate with the teachers, or teachers can communicate with the students. You can assign homeworks, etc., etc. Now, why should you choose Google Classroom? Basic setup, time saver, good organization, quality communication, and free and safe. Basic setup, you don't need to watch a hour-long video in order to navigate around the program. Good organization, the program is divided into different organized areas, which saves time, which meets the second reason why should you use Google Classroom. Quality communication, you can communicate with student to student, teacher to teacher, teacher to student, and student to teacher. Free and safe, the program costs no money and is free to avail only, and it is safe because it is protected because it is a partner program of Gmail. So how do you access the program? What do you need are gadgets, internet connection, and Gmail account. If you have a laptop or a computer, this option is for you. You don't need to install anything. If you have a Gmail account, you will automatically have the program. Now here it is. When you access your Gmail, you only click this button and a panel of partner programs will appear below. If you are using cell phones and tablets, this option is for you. You need to install the application in order to use it. The application can be found in the Play Store if you are using an Android, or App Store if you are using Apple. Now, once you have installed the application, you can now join a classroom. It is best that you also install related apps such as Gmeet and Gmail to maximize your online learning. So how should you join a classroom? Now you have access to the program, you will now need to join. You will need to know how to join a classroom. Option A is invitations, where the teacher can send the invitation, in which the teacher will type out the email of the student, and it will automatically send an invitation. Join the classroom via Gmail. Now, option B, links and codes. The teacher could send the classroom link to a classroom, or you will just click the link, or the teacher could send the code containing 5 to 7 letters and numbers without spaces. You will type out the code and will automatically lead you to the classroom. So the classroom is divided into 3 parts: stream, classwork, and people. Stream contains the general information. Classwork contains the organized assignment of schoolworks and how will you submit it. And people contains the list of teachers and students inside the classroom. In the stream section, you will find the class name and section, the subject, the task announcement board, and the announcement board. And when you click the classwork, now in the classwork area, this is the previous works history, where you will see all your previous works, the Google Calendar and G Drive folder. These are the topics made by the teacher to make it easier to be separated from different works, and these are the tasks. The tasks and the previous work history, we will elaborate on that more. Now, in the task panel, you will see the general task information, or this is the title, the bookwork 2, Lance Miranda, the teacher, the 17 and 54, this is the time when it was given. This is the points, and this is the due date. Now this here is the instructions. This here is the instructions on how will you answer the program. These are the comments if you want to add, if you want to ask class-wide questions, and private comments if you have personal questions. This is a submission panel where you can submit your homework, and I will elaborate more on how will you submit your homework later. This is the previous task. This is the previous task information. This is the account. This is the account name, and the picture is the task name, date and status. It's either assigned, returned, or missing, and work history categories here, and the account name and picture. Parts of the classroom people. Now, this contains the role. There are two roles available only, the role for teacher and student, and the name below the role. Now, how can you submit your homework? There are 4 types of content the teacher can post in the schoolwork area: assignments, quiz assignments, question, and material. Now, how can you submit the assignment? Here, the first one. A. You can do your homework in Google Docs, slides, sheets, drawings, or you can also do it in other non-Google applications. And once you have saved the work, you can insert the files using Google Drive. You will just click this button, or you can add the link. You will just type out the link here, or you can browse your file explorer in your computer and you can submit your file. And after you have put your homework, you can now hand in your work, click this, and then you are done. Now, how do you submit your quiz assignment? In quiz assignments, a form is attached to the quiz assignments, and then you will just click the form, you will answer it, and mark as done when you are done. Easy as that. Now, how to submit my answer and questions? A question will be typed out by the teacher. You just type your answer, then hand in. Easy as that. Material. Material allows the teacher to post instructions for further activities, learning modules, and different learning materials. Now, that is the end of our discussion. If you have any queries, concerns, or requests, you can comment it in the comment box. Now, in conclusion for the topic, we can see that Google Classroom is really easy to learn because of the organized features. Now, if you have any comments, suggestions, queries, concerns, you can PM me in Messenger. If you want the PPT, if you want the PowerPoint presentation, just ask me and I will send it to you. Thank you.